Hi, my name is Catherine Went with Syscon, and thanks for taking a moment of your time. Today, I wanted to talk with you about a request that our BizApps team received. So, first of all, Power BI is typically used to see beautiful and very functional dashboards. These are viewed through a browser and available then to the field, anyone on the road, anywhere you have an internet connection, and with current updated information. The source can be Sage 100 Contractor, spreadsheets, Microsoft lists, or even a combination of any one of those to create that dashboard. So one of our clients said, all right, great, I love it, but I'd like to share the reports through an email to particular people as an attachment. Well, that's not really how Power BI is designed to work. So our BizApps team, business applications team, got to work to see what some options might be. So they created a new report and added a tool called Power BI Report Builder. This tool allows the report to be converted, built in a printable format, referred to as paginated reports, and that was step one. Then they published that special report to the Power BI service. They use Subscribe feature, which allows a user to set up recurring customized emails to a specific list of people. The recipients of the email need to have Power BI license added to their M365 license, and that's it. So a Power BI report can then be emailed as an attachment to select people. Of course, since it's attachment, it's a moment in time. It's not that dashboard view that's current and updated. Our business applications team, we refer to them as BizApps, have done some pretty amazing things. So if there's a report that you're hoping to get and you don't have yet, and you're just not sure if it's possible, give us a call. We've come up with some pretty creative things, and it might just be exactly what you need. Thanks for your time, and have a great rest of your week.